Once again, I'm the hero in Era's eyes. Except, did you see? She fell for it completely.
Ay nako, here we go again. Era this, era that. Can we even talk about anything else, Renan? Puro na lang bukang bibig mo yung era na yan. And you're acting like her personal savior.
Yan naman talaga yung plano ko, Sabrina, di ba? The more Era leans on me, the more I can squeeze Lilet out. So yeah, I have to be her go-to, I have to be her everything. Para maitsapwera na si Lilet, mabawi natin lahat ng sinira ng mati nila.
Eh paano kung mag-backfire yung mga plano mo? And the way you're going, you might actually fall for Era.
Are you serious? Look, hindi mangyayari yun. Okay? Ilang beses ko bang sasabihin sa'yo? Ginagamit ko lang si Era and nothing more. So come on, let's celebrate. This is a win. It is. Come on.